My boss. Is sleep type and
sleep type.
Oh.
Pag English mo din siya, si Katoba magaling dyan.
May Katoba bring was the meat. May arbar, may backfire.
Backfire?
Yes.
I have no backfire here.
This was?
Ano this?
Dishwasher.
I'm washing fish.
Washing fish.
I'm washing fish.
Game.
Lights, camera, action.
Ah! My there ay! What man ay! Is ko'y nahulog po na ako.
Anong nalaglag?
Si Kuya Jerry nagbablog. Hi, hello po. Shout out.
Hello to my vlog.
Hi, hello to your vlog.
Yes.
Yes. So, how's your day?
It's okay.
It's okay.
My English is a favorite subject.
Oh, sa kanila ano.
So, this is what you want.
Your look is Bible study.
English? Yes.
Thank you very much.
Wait lang,
Thank you.
The boss and the idol.
Ay.
Bye. Wala bye. Hanggang bye.
Dapat mo dito ka sa dalawang na mo pala siya.
Silwang magkasya ba? Kay Kabungo. Dito na lang. Dito ka lang.
Thank you. Boss. Ma'am, thank you. Boss, thank you, boss. What's up, guys? The look new here is faithful.
Goku.
Yes. And
before we start our video, this is the beginning of our vlog.
To our vlog.
And have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Have
A nice day.
a nice day.
Oh.
Yun.
Goodbye.
Yun. This is have a nice day.
Oh, yes, very good.
This is my house. This is my friends. Team Coop. My friend.
Trying to cook.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Tagalog pa rin.
Alright.
We are here in the Cabonoto area.
Yes.
And we're having a picnic time while waiting the updates of our revenue. And Cabonoto give us a grilled pig. And I will be the one in charge of this one because I don't want to drink this day. Because I have too much acid. So better luck next time.
That's right. Very good. You understanding. This is a
Pork.
Hmm.
Relatives of chicken.
Relative of chicken.
Pahit. Ano ba yung isang pahit?
Relative of cow. Relative of Carabao.
Relative of
Kahaw.
the relative of Kahaw.
Yes. Hey,
Very nice. Apo.
my friend Kahaw is there.
You flip
Yeah.
because maybe it's too much fire. So just estimated
Delicious.
so that we will not burn it fastly.
Wow.
Very nice.
Wow. It looks juice. Hello everyone. Guys, please support Dalubhasa.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you, come again.
Bakit ba ako nag-i-English dyan? Hindi nga naman ako.
Yes, this is my vlog cannot English.
Totoo ka mo siya, no?
My friends.
Totoo ka mo siya, Gagambay. Pag-English mo. Pag-English mo. Muted. Naka-silent pala. Gagamboy is muted daw, sabi ni Kahit basta mapasama, kailangan English.
Hindi naman. Siya lang.
Siya lang.
That's me.
That's me.
That's me. Yeah.
Kala ko sasabihin mo, it's me. Viewers yun. It's me TV.
Yes. My boss. Is sleep type and
Sleep type. Kala ko yung aircon. Split type.
sleep type.
Aircon yun eh.
And editing
Wala sa naman camera mo.
editing my vlogs. Thanks Kuya Dang for concern me.
Concern.
Oh.
Pag Englishin mo din si Kataba magaling din eh.
May katubas bring was the meat.
Brainwash.
Hoy, nakaral mo ba kagabi yan, yung brainwash?
Kuya Dang,
Sasabog ang pagtugo sa iyo.
my English is a very happy. Can I talk to English? Because my English is
No, your English very good.
yeah.
Very good. That's nice.
Very
Yes.
nice and see.
My are barrier backfire.
Ano? What did you say?
What are barrier my backfire?
Are you a buyer or backfire?
My are barrier my backfire.
Backfire?
Yes.
I have no backfire here.
Fire.
Lighter.
Yes.
Lighter.
My are barrier backfire.
Backfire.
Can I buy your lighter? My God. Damn.
Boom. Yes.
Oh. Wow, look at the
Oh.
what do you call that? Liempo?
Very,
Grilled liempo.
Mm.
Wow. It's marinated or not?
I think it's already marinated with vinegar and tomato sauce and.
The smell is
Oh, yeah, but tomato sauce?
very
I
good.
don't know. I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Oh my God. Oh.
It looks like yummy.
Very nice, I see.
Hahap noy!
Harap na, ay,
Harap na.
Bagnoy. Kasi na may how. Mane.
Nasa sa...
Init.
Init manoy!
My friend katuba is bring was my meat.
Bring us my meat.
This was
Ano this?
dishwasher.
I'm washing fish.
Washing fish.
I'm washing fish.
My friend katuba is dishwasher my.
You know what is this fish?
Oh, fish. Very small.
You know this? You know this?
Yes, I can like it. Yes,
Small
it's
fish.
like it.
Small fish.
Small fish. My name fish is
Uy, hindi ko alam.
Sardinas is Tagalog.
yes,
It's like
yes,
English.
yes. It's very delicious.
For sure, for English, fish.
Fish,
Small fish.
small fish. Yes. That's
There more hub fish.
yes.
Like a million group.
Million group.
You want to eat this?
Yes.
You try.
I like it. Yeah, I'll try.
After
You know something once more.
after I'm making this salad fish.
Oh. Fish. It's a salad fish.
But it's so hard to speak in English. I'm nosebleed.
Oh. That's right. It's okay. Fine. I can manage.
You can manage.
Yes.
Very nice,
Oh.
easy.
You preparing the
Uh,
lunch or dinner?
dinner or lunch?
Alright. Thank you for my friends. I'm
สวัสดีค่ะมาห้ามมาปลุนมาคอยนะห้องคนนี้
Video ko pare. Ganun kadali. Tapos ano? Tapos try mo ng ano? Ikakakatin. Oo, sa'yo init man. Gusto mo pang video lang pang Facebook mo, iyo. Ayaw pang malalaksang video ko para sa thumbnail.
Yan na pag maluto naman. Sabi pa mamaya.
Nando,
Meron ako naisip.
dito ka habang nagluluto ka. Tapos bibigyan kita dyan na. Ito, tama background. Nandito ka. Nagluluto ka. Tapos nandun ako. Tapos, mag-ganyan-ganyan ka lang. Ganyan-ganyan. Kasi mamaya,
yes.
May naisip na ako.
Yes. Very good idea, my friend.
Yeah.
You is my brainwash. Brainwash.
Sabi na, kung yan na mag-video na kainit pang espaso na ako.
ano nga sabay pa tayo?
It's a perfect memory. Your memory is a brainwash.
No! Brain damage!
What?
Ikaw ka lang ba, hindi yan nakakatakot.
My friend is busy because
We make food. May nakakahuli ka kayo ng pupulang malaki ba? Fish food.
fish food.
Yeah, but this is to call because they have more vinegar,
Oh,
salt.
Nalabian.
very
Yeah, very
delicious for my health. Yes.
But you want to drink more
Oh,
Red Horse.
oh. One shot, once more.
Yes.
Yes.
White Castle. In English.
All right.
White Castle. Come on.
Yes.
Hala, si Bijo.
Yes.
Dito ka. Kunin mo sa ano. Ano doon sa aking camera? Isasend ko siya. Baka nag-clip ko yan.
Oh.
Bahala ka.
Your vlog.
You get away.
Your vlog.
Hindi, ano lang daw. Facebook lang.
Ah, okay.
Ano, madadala daw? Tawagan mo?
Dito ka pa rin, hindi ka ano. Chong. Mahamang cloud. Yan guys, as kamo. Haplap noy.
Game?
Lights, camera, action.
Ah! Tayo. Hindi, okay lang. Tayo. Nakatayo dapat. Nakatayo.
Sayang man.
Ha?
Sayang. Hindi ko nilalagay sa akin.
Ay, sige. Ay, ganda na lang. Okay. Okay.
Hindi na,
Ay, wala. Ganyan.
Okay.
Kaya na. Basta ganda mo lang. Lapit
Okay.
mo lang. Ah! Mahal ma play man. Penhay mo dahil na kaman. Pongkan. Pelom sa hingan. Pongkan. 편이나 야 그만 좀 원하니不然呀空找我呀空我跳动团呀我操那不然你空了怎么呀那你呀我那那空呀你怎么啊俺俩你们咋个玩原来是嘛你我你混死了呀哎还会那么抬你看mà chứ ai nhau không cho mai cho mai để ai quanh mình ai đi biscuit đâu hulog mo nhau yung naglag yate ay nilalim
Sayang!
Oh my goodness.
Siguro ito lang. Ay, nahulog.
Wala nakakainin na yung pusa!
Inisting ko pa sana.
Oh my goodness. It's going down.
nakita ba yung pagkahulog? Maganda yung pag nakita ng hulog.
Yes. Right. My vlog is 12 minutes. Yes. Oh, that's right. Your vlog. Right. Napakagaw lang.
May luto na, lagay yan. Maraming mga suko dyan yun.
Oh, the river. The river is my favorite place because it's very nice. Oh my goodness. What happened? No. I'm in this is a swan. Swan is what's your problem? Why swan? Oh no. No, my friend. Don't worry. I'm go out because you're very hungry. All right. Let's go. Excuse me to all of you and to all. All right. Next vlog again. My friend Kahaw. Hey, you editing?
Yes.
Yes. And very smooth. Right. We'll be right back to my vlog because it's a time is a limit. Nice to meet you, to my brother Kanuto, to Dapper. Tomorrow I never comes.
You know Pichay?
No. No. This is green leaves. Green leaves.
Si Kuya Jerwin nagbablog. Hi, hello po. Shout out.
Hello to my vlog.
Hi, hello to your vlog.
Yes. Okay.
What's your
What's your problem? No. My problem is
your problem is what?
anything.
Anything. Ito na, nakapadaan tuloy ako sa English. Pero ang ganda ng mga vlog ni Kuya, natatawa ako pinanood ko sa mga inaano ni Kuya Jeff.
Thank you for my watching.
Yes,
my
I watch
vlog.
your vlog and it's funny.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my friends, and everyone.
Everyone.
Yes.
So, how's your day?
It's okay.
It's okay. Nakaka-mental block para mag-English na. Kaya alam ko na kung ano yung pakiramdam nila pag nag-i-English.
Yes.
Kailangan dire-diretso.
My English is a favorite subject. Right, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming.
Yes. Thank
You're
you.
welcome and very welcome whenever you want to go here.
Yes.
To do vlog. Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
Bakit pag-English ka?
Let's go.
Ikaw, hindi ka mo mag-vlog.
My vlog is very nice.
May Tagalog pa. May Tagalog.
Because it's a very
Beautiful place.
beautiful place.
Yes.
Yes.
Pero the fish pond is smoking.
Yes. My place is not mine. Oh.
Ayun.
Pero nakatakot doon.
The taste. Once more. The taste once more.
Once more.
Yes.
Wala pa. Yan lang. Hiwain mo.
All right. And don't worry to my vlog. My vlog is editing because my vlog is my life. Thank you. We'll be right back. Right now, I'm going to
Pag-asa guys, start
Bukhara. I'm going to house. Atachi case.
GoPro, start recording. GoPro.
Oh, this is my Atachi case. Wow. Attorney.
Kasi hindi mo detect. Because
Thank you very much.
I will never let you go.
nothing. I who have no one.
I'm going to house now.
You want to say there's nothing.
Ayos ba na lamon?
Ratatatat.
Wow. My shoes, your shoes is beautiful. Low cut. It's a low cut. Yes. Oh.
This is what you want.
Your look is Bible study.
Okay.
Right.
Where did you get this? There's no intro, there's no outro.
You're my meeting.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
The,
Thank you.
the boss and the idol.
Ay.
Is not
Ticket for your travel.
yeah,
Okay.
Despite of everything, of tossing, it's okay.
All right.
Thank you, my friends. Everyone.
See you next time again.
Thank you.
There are many red doors pa.
Yeah, there's
Yes. Many more.
five battle.
6 butay.
Six.
6 butay.
Seven,
8 bottle.
seven.
8 bottle.
7.
8 bottle.
No, 12, 4, 6, 18, 12.
Huh?
12.
8 bottle.
You can count how many
Ah,
battles.
the other one 7.
12 battle.
7 not yet drink.
My drink is
Drinking water.
5 loses.
You know, Mormons.
I do have no
Attorney, thank you, attorney.
Yes.
Next time, if I have hearing very early,
Yes.
I contact you.
Attorney, where are you my hearing? Attorney, where are you my hearing? My hearing is your late. Before your hearing is your late. All right.
Ingat.
Thank you everybody. Thank you everyone.
Ticker.
Thank you. Let's go. All right.
Bye. Wala bye. Hanggang bye. Bye.
Yung isa, hindi na makapagsalita. Walang imik-imik.
Oh.
Because it's tossing already and it's sleeping already.
Is brown out. Is my dream come true. My is brown out. Oh, where's my contractor on my braids? Because it's a load control. Contractor is a very honesty.
Oh, it's a fish! So much for my video.
Oh, my fish pan. It's not me.
The fish is running down the sea.
Mm.
That's a fish.
Oh.
Black camera.
My vlog is very dream.
Ano nga, mag-pasyal tayo ng tatlo. O tatlo. No flashlight. Tawa din ako doon.
I can waiting for my watch, my vlog, because run out.
You goodbye now already?
You know, it's a small battery.
You goodbye now already?
Be a later.
Slide high, slide. Madulas.
Oh,
The road is shining armor.
Very things.
my way is
The road is shining armor, ha?
the road is
Always and be careful of riding a motorcycle because the road is so very shiny.
critical. The sliding.
Teka! Ito na sasakyan ko.
Oh, the road is critical because it's sliding.
Okay, thank you so much. I love you all.
Bye-bye.
To all supporters, I love you, I love you.
Thank you very much. Bungot.
Kasi baka meron ng kano si Kuya Kapag. Bebe, dyan sa... Dapat mo dito ka sa dalawa. Kita mo pala siya.
Sino bang makasya ba? Kay Kabungo. Dito na lang. Dito ka lang. Dito na lang tiyan. Sari, doon na sari.
May papa. Kasi...
All right. Thank you, boss. Ma'am, thank you. Boss, thank you, boss. Boss. This is my driver, attorney.
Let's go.
Because it's my meeting to everyone. Up.
Hey,
Thank you.
go.
Go. All right.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go, guys. And yes, thank you. We'll be right back again. Right, I'm stopping to my undock because it's Jabra Sniper.
We bought your my balloon.
My Jabra Sniper is
Buy balloon.
huh?
Explain na, explain na.
Egg.
Buy egg. Specialty in the Philippines.
The Philippines. Yes. Well, is
Kuyatang is
drive through the McDonald's because it's my
Diretso na yan eh. Oh,
yes. Let's go home.
let's go home already.
Yeah. Ow. Oh, it's very delicious.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Let's go over there. Hey.
Wow. My attorney.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm meeting my.
Meeting to opisina.
Huh?
Meeting to opisina.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm meeting to my office, my attorney, because I'm around because my client is very good. All right. Right. Let's go home and it's that time.
Yeah.
And say goodbye. I love you. See you next vlog. Right. Bye bye.